What is retargeting, and why should you be using it? As you begin to become more experienced in internet marketing and you start to explore more options, you'll begin to discover some more advanced techniques and strategies that you can use to accelerate your growth. One of the most successful of these is retargeting. This can be highly effective if you know how to use it. And in this presentation, that's precisely what you're going to learn. What is retargeting? Retargeting is a term that is usually used in relation to PPC, pay-per-click advertising. That means Facebook ads, and it means Google AdWords and AdSense. Both these platforms allow you to target whom you show your ads to, ensuring that you're not paying to display ads to people who are unlikely to be interested in visiting your page or buying from you. Facebook does this by letting you target by demographic and by interest, based on the information that the user gave the network. Google, meanwhile, does this by letting you target based on search term, from which you can infer interest and intent. Retargeting takes this one step further. By using cookies stored on the visitor's computer, it allows you to show ads only to visitors who have previously been to your site and previously looked at your products. This, in turn, greatly increases the likelihood that they might be interested in what you have to sell. Why it works. Retargeting is very powerful because people who have been to your page before and looked at your products were possibly considering buying from you. You can not only choose to show your ad to previous visitors to your site, but to previous visitors of specific pages. If you have ever thought of buying something, you may have found that you ended up talking yourself out of it. Perhaps you didn't have the money, or perhaps you didn't really need it. Either way, logic prevailed over impulse and emotion. But then imagine it's evening. You're feeling tired and your resolve is weak. Maybe you've had a hard day and you feel like you deserve a treat. And then you see that same product you considered appear. Maybe now with a limited time discount. Did you know that we're statistically more likely to buy when we're tired? You can imagine the impact this could have. And right there is the power of remarketing.